kei te harikua tōku nākau, nā te mea, it's always such a beautiful blessing to be able to have our dresses blessed in general, but to be blessed by the iwi or Ngāiterangi and Ngā Potiki is just even better because it is essentially where we're from, where we train, and I know it just gives it that much more meaning to be in the wāhi of where Waikato Bay of Plenty join.
I want us to win the championship, and I think we're not afraid to say that now. And so, MJ spoke a little bit today about the belief that we have that we can actually do that. And so it's just putting on court what I know that we can, doing it one game in, one game out, and then hopefully, we'll take the championship.
I feel that the team this year has really shifted from previous years, and so the meaning behind our dress is a lot more purposeful and intentful, and so we kept it quite small this year and quite intimate with just our dearest and nearest, and always lovely to have our whānau from the whenua here, Mangatawa, Papamoa block, so I'm feeling pretty special around this whole blessing.